Sketch a graph of the vector, then find the magnitude and the direction of the angle. So what we have is something that's called unit vector form. It's very similar to component form. In this problem, component form would look just like this. Okay, so the things are basically the same. In order to draw this out, you're going to start at 0, 0. You're going to go right 5 units and then down 12 units. So I'm not going to be able to draw that. So let's make each of these units 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, -3, -6, -9, -12, -15. So basically go right 5, go down 12, and your vector is going to start here and hit perfectly down there if I knew how to draw a straight line. Now, what this means then is the magnitude, which is the same thing as the distance, can be found by using Pythagorean theorem or the stuff that we've been doing pretty much since Unit 3 by saying, all right, well, magnitude is going to be the square root of essentially my A value and my B value squared and added together. So 5 squared plus -12 squared. Okay, that's going to be 25. That's going to be 144. That's going to be 169. That's going to be 13. That's not in a square root. Okay, so the numbers here were friendly, no calculator needed. This one I am going to use a calculator for, even though this is not a calculator section. The direction part's not as friendly. Okay, the direction part is found by doing what we've been doing since trigonometry, and that's taking the tangent, the inverse tangent rather, of B over A. Okay, so in this case, B is -12, so inverse tangent of -12 over A, which is 5. So I'm not going to make believe that I can even do this in my head. I certainly can't. I don't know or think the numbers are friendly. This isn't a 30, 60, 90 or a 45, 45, 90. So I'm going to go off to the side and figure out what this is. All right, so according to Mr. Calculator, this is -1.176. But I don't like that. So if I add 2 pi to it, which I'm doing right now, I get 5.107 radians. Which, 2 pi is like 3.14, so it's 6.28. So this is definitely just below the 2 pi mark. But yeah, not too close to it. So yeah, there you have it. It all makes sense.